If you want to make a condition where people can only purchase one product from your store at a time, then in this video I will show the exact tutorial how we can do it. So let's begin. For this I installed this app, Ninja Order Limits Quantity, the checkout validator. From the Shopify app store you can also download it. After installing the app, go here, create validation, then create a cart validation. Now give a title, limit a product from purchasing more than 3, because here I will set the limit 3. Then add a new rule, select the condition. Number of products include quantity for each product. Operator greater than value 1. Then add the action, show error message on checkout page. Then type the default message which you want to show on the checkout page. Here I am typing you can only purchase one product. After that, active the status and save this. Now people cannot purchase more than one product from your store. So let's check it on the online store. Here if I select more than one product in the cart, then you can see the error message. But if I select only one product, then you can see there is no error message. So in this way you can do it very easily. So if you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. And if you have any doubt in your mind, then please let me know in the comment section. And that's all today guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.